What's up guys, in this video we're going to cover what Base44 is and how to use it. In my opinion, let me start off strong. This is the best no-code builder that is out there right now. It builds web applications just using your text, basically your prompts, and it handles the front end, back end, visuals, functions, payments. It handles even the search engine and hosting. If you don't know what any of these words are, you don't even have to worry. But if you do, Base44 is very flexible, and I will show you how you can actually change the code yourself and change everything. It has even some templates for the visuals. It is crazy. So let's start with signing in. Here we can see this start building button. So we're going to click that. It's going to redirect us to this page, and we're just going to go with login with Google. We're going to hit continue after we allowed some email that we want to use. And boom, we're greeted with this interface. We have some limited welcome offer, which we can actually, yeah, let's look at the plans firstly. So we can see the starter, the builder, pro and elite. Here you can look at the prices and what it actually gives you. Unlimited apps and super agents, unlimited collaborations with shared credits. This, in my opinion, is not what we're going to look at right now. We want to see how this app works, and we can actually build something completely for free. If we go back to home, we can see that there is also all apps, templates, integrations, launchpad, hire a partner, and here we have our workspace. Down here we can create a new workspace, or we can actually even invite members into the existing one, which is super helpful. You can build with your friends. So before we start building, we can see down here the templates I have talked about. So we have some categories, for example, marketing and sales, operations, data and analytics. If we look here, we have, it's like, I think hundreds or 100 plus templates. There is a bunch of them. Some of them don't look that much of an AI. I mean, they still do. Obviously, you have to count with that because it is still an AI builder. So the templates are not going to be super original, but at least it gives you some flexibility. For example, this one looks good, or this one, if we view the details, we can see how it kind of looks, but we have to purchase it for $25. For example, here, this one for $9.99, this one for free. Okay, so I guess you get the point. And as I said, there is a lot of them. Let's actually get into the building. Actually, before we do, I want to show you the integrations so we can actually connect it with Stripe, which is super useful. Base44 handles it all completely. For example, last time that I built something like this was with Bolt and with Lovable, and they really didn't do a good job. I had super big struggle with Stripe. I ended up doing it with Bolt, but it was crazy. Here, I believe you only give the credentials and you're all set to go. So this is a super useful thing. Google Calendar, Google Sheets, Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, Slackbot, LinkedIn, TikTok, everything is here, and you can connect it just by saying it or typing it. Alright, and why am I even doing this video in the first place is because of my members inside my school community. They have requested this, so I'm doing this for them and I'm showing it to you publicly, but there's many more videos on make.com, VoiceFlow, on basically everything that you can imagine that has to do with AI and making money with AI or saving time with AI. All of this is covered inside my school community with every template. So if you want a best community on AI, I have a free trial right now going on. I would really appreciate if you like the video, comment it, and let's get it. I want to create the app that will basically give me a percentage of my return on my investments. So let me just try to say it with my words, okay? We're going to allow it. I want an app that is going to give me a percentage of return. For example, if I insert that I want to invest $100 into Bitcoin, I want to have like 3 predictions: pessimistic, optimistic, and normal, of where my investment will be. And I want to add if I want to invest for 1 year, for 1 month, for 5 years, for 10 years, and I want to have top 5 cryptocurrencies and some stocks. Okay, so we have the prompt, nothing crazy. I'm showing you, I didn't prepare any of this, and let's just send it. Now we can see that Base44 is building my idea. Here we're going to see the front end, here we're going to see the prompts, and yeah, let's wait. Now it's basically analyzing everything. Manage all your cryptocurrency investment app data in the built-in database. And guys, this is all from one prompt, literally nothing prepared. So let's see what it does. It is supposed to be the best one when it comes to vibe coders, and I have done videos on Lovable, on Bold.new, so we can really compare if you watch my previous videos, or if you're inside my school community where we always discuss these things and always build them. We're gonna see, guys, we're gonna see. So let this work for a minute now. I don't think it will take really long. Alright, so we have the app build. Here on the left we can see all of the files that it has created or edited, and here we see the site itself. So if we look, this is really only an interface. This is only one page and it doesn't have any functions yet. I haven't connected it to my Google or something like that. We could maybe say to Bold, hey, okay, send me the predictions, or whenever someone does some predictions, send it to me. Firstly, let me show you how it works. You, for example, give an amount of $100. You say you want to invest for 5 years. You choose, for example, Solana, let's say, and here we can see the pessimistic view, the normal view, and the optimistic view. We can see even the graphs. So this is really what it is about. We even have some stocks. Doesn't look really bad. Doesn't look really crazy either. We can even see how it would look on a tablet, which is pretty neat, or even on a mobile phone, which is even better. There we have all of these ideas of how it actually looks. Now here we can go and we can change the theme or even the fonts. So for example, if I do this, we can see all of these little fonts have changed. If we click on it, if we click on the fonts or on the text or whatever, everything is actually customizable, which is super great. Even these small icons, they're all changeable. If we change the color, we can make it look whatever we want it to look. If we look here, the opacity, we can make it less or more. We can change the size. We can change anything that we want, which is super neat about the Base 44, because most other Lovable and all these other vibe coders don't have it that much customizable. This is honestly, in my opinion, amazing. So let me change some colors. Let's say this one. Yeah, you can see how it is changing in real time. So it is really good. And yeah, I mean, if we exit it now and we want to look at the dashboard, we can see the dashboard. Here we see open app, share app, app usage. If we click on it, fail to load data, because obviously no data is yet here. We can invite users. We have app visibility, public, non-public. We have open app, which obviously does this. Share app, share your project and earn 20 free credits to keep building. And it looks really good. It looks really good. We can even, handle marketing here, domains. We can actually, get our domain here. We can build an AI agent that will be on the site. Let's choose this one, send to chat. We have this, add an agent to simplify complex market trends and explain impact on user portfolios. Boom. So I just hit it, send it, and now it's going to create us an AI agent on our, or I don't know if I should say app or website. I mean, it's a web app basically. So while it's building, we can actually look at some automations. We will unlock these automations if we are on the Builder Plus plan, but you can already see we have a lot of things we can do on already for free basically. We have just given it permission, so we can see it approved. Here we see the logo. I mean, it really looks professional compared to every other vibe coder. We have even APIs, we have even logs and everything. We have some settings, app settings, authentication, add template, don't have anything yet. The app settings, the app logo, we can edit it, change everything, change description. Like, there is so many things, and I could just keep talking and keep talking. Obviously some of the things are only permitted to us after we are on the builder plan. I've already said that. Even though I'm not focusing on these vibe coding stuff and building websites and stuff, I will add it to my school community in the future 100%. Not now, so I'm not gonna go into a super deep dive of every possibility you could do with this, but it is very good. We can even see some save investments history or export analysis data to, we can see here, to a Google Sheet, add watch list, view list, whatever. It is genuinely crazy. So if we look now, I think it should be already done, market analyst. And guys, we literally have a chatbot here, or I mean AI agent. If you don't know the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent, go watch my previous video where I explained the differences, and it's very useful if you don't know bunch about AI. Anyways, let's ask it, how does rising inflation affect Bitcoin? We send it and let's see of the answer that it gave us, and let's see the answer that it will give us. So it is thinking, I guess. It's a great question to ask. Oh, guys. Okay. I mean, this is a really detailed answer, which I'm not gonna read because I don't really care. I would tweak it a little bit here. I would say change the AI agent to do this and that, to structure the responses differently. I have knowledge about this because I teach it in my school community, because we also have courses on VoiceFlow where we build AI agents that definitely don't give us such a bulky responses, but it's still good just for vibe coding. It's really good. We can do the add watch list view. I mean, that would be great. And if you look here, This is basically the canvas. So it actually creates us a canvas where we can edit anything. We can, mark something like, for example, change this XPR, I don't want it, or this and that. It is very good for building projects with your team. You can actually, say like, change this, change that, whatever. In this canvas, you can leave your coworkers some messages or some planning, structuring. It is pretty good, but if you look back here, it has created the watch list in the meantime. If we click on it, we can go to all assets and we can, for example, pin Bitcoin and pin Apple, and we can see how the annual estimates are in the pessimistic and, in every view. And still, this is just a demo version. I have given it a very basic prompts and only 4 of them. But what I really wanted to show you in this video is the user face and how you can communicate with Base44, because it's not really about what we build here in these videos. It's about how we build it and how the Base44 interacts with its users. And I think it genuinely deserves the title of one of the best vibe coders that is out there. Lastly, we can look at the message credits. 1 credit left today. Here we have the code also, but we can only change it if we're on the plan. Again, you can see here code editing is only available on paid plans, which is obvious, but I really like it. I really do like it. It gives you a whole all-rounder on your application, how it looks, basically everything, right? So if we go back to Base44, we can see our apps. It's very well structured. I like it. Let me know in the comments what app should I cover next, and how did you like this video? What are the improvements I could make? And if you are inside my school community. See you in the next one.